my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sharifah and you are on Sharifah Mbazike's Remedies. On this channel we only use natural ingredients to improve on our health. So in today's video, basically I'm going to be taking you through the 2 ingredients that you can use to stop dryness. Remember, when you are fasting, you do not drink or take any single thing. So after the day, your body has lost a lot, okay, and this may lead to dryness in some cases, but the drink that I'm going to give you, it is going to solve all those kind of problems like dryness, anything. Just so this video is meant for those who are married. So if you're not married, I think you're watching the wrong video, okay? But you can still as well scroll down and you watch videos which are appropriate for you. All right, but the thing here is you really need to take this drink before an hour before actually going to bed, an hour before going to bed. Yes, so without wasting your time, I don't know if you have subscribed. If you haven't, kindly do subscribe. Turn that subscription to gray color. It is in red. Yes, if it's still in red, just tap on it and turn it gray. Then also next to it there is a bell. Just click on the top bell which has some codes. That is a notification bell so that you do not miss any of my videos. So let's dive into today's video. So don't be shocked. We have okra, call them lady fingers. They are the first ingredients that we are going to be using. Okra is a reputed vegetable of love, rich in magnesium. It's a natural relaxant. It is also full of iron, folic acid, zinc, and vitamin B. All nutrients that you can keep your sex organs healthy and happy. This is what all you need. There are different ways we can use okra, either by increasing fertility or increase in libido or to boost ovulation. So drinking okra water that we are going to be making today in this video will help you to increase in the fertility rate. If you take it before ovulation period and then meet with your partner, you are most probably going to get pregnant 100%. Trust me. So just follow the process as I give you more of the benefits. So it will also help you if you want to lose weight. It will help you promote weight loss, and also part from that, it's loaded with essential nutrients that can also help you boost your body metabolism, and also it will help you strengthen your muscle core and also remove the impurities from your kidney. So what really happens when you take okra every single day? It will improve your heart health and lower the risk of you experiencing oxidative damage and blood clots. And when it comes to skincare, since it's loaded with vitamin C, it will help your skin look younger, vibrant, and rejuvenated at the same time. So one way how to make it, after cutting it into these small pieces, you get your saucepan. So this way is the way how I do it, and I've had benefits using it in terms of losing weight and also increasing water in bed. So it really does amazing magic. So after cutting them, make sure before you cut them, you first wash the lady fingers, okay? So after cutting them, you just need to get your clean saucepan and place them there. Then you put in reasonable water, like you can put in like 2 cups, so that when it boils for 10 minutes, then afterwards here it's in this process, it is done boiling. So you leave it to cool down. When it cools down, these are the residue will go down. Then you filter the water or you strain out the water and you drink that water. But the best time is to drink this water an hour before going to bed. So this is all what thank you for watching. Hope you found this video useful, and if you did, kindly just give it a very big thumbs up. And hey, if you know anyone who is suffering and needs this kind of help, just help them by sharing this link with them, and also tell them to subscribe. Of course, this is something that everyone needs in life. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. I wish you a happy Ramadan. Bye bye.